Welcome to today's video, and we're starting off here in the driveway. Definitely some OG vibes here, because we're gonna do a mod on the 350 that May didn't get to do last time because of some part ordering issues. But May, why don't you tell us, what are we doing today?
We're putting the quick release on.
Quick release on, emphasis on the quick release.
Yes.
Yeah. Quick release. And what's the main reason for the quick release?
The ding noise.
The ding noise, oh my gosh. All right, so show us, run us through what we're doing today.
I'm taking that off first.
We're taking what off?
Oh no, we gotta disconnect the battery.
No, we don't, because there's no airbag now, so we're fine.
Oh.
Yeah, the only thing you might do is accidentally beep the horn, which is fine. I'm sure Karen will love that. But what's the first thing to do? Show us what you got first. Run us through. We're gonna make her an automotive vlogger in no time, guys.
Got the no other but energy sign.
Yep. We got the right one this time. Apparently the other one is SFI or something, which wasn't supposed to have the insides, but the seller sent us the right one, replaced it right away. So look at that. This one has all the wires and stuff, see?
Yep.
Yeah.
That was, the first one was like missing so much pieces.
Yeah, actually the first one, the one we got, it wasn't just the wires missing. If you pull that forward, May. Huh? Oh wait, we got to push the pin in first and then pull it up. There you go. So inside here, see these ball bearings? Those had fallen out inside it. So it was actually broken. It wasn't just the fact that it was missing the internal stuff for the horn and whatnot. Anyways, that aside, this has to go onto there and the wheel has to go onto that. Okay?
Okay, so
all the tools should be in the box that we need. And that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna jump in the passenger seat and we're gonna film Mame doing her first quick release, and then hopefully we get a satisfying ding at the end of this, right? All right. So pretty proud moment right now. She's doing a star pattern all by herself. I didn't even have to tell her about that. Oop. It's annoying when you drop your tool, hey? Mm. Yeah.
It's fine though. It doesn't get...
Don't scratch the wheel, mate.
Sorry.
Be gentle.
Sorry,
be gentle.
Come in the side. Oh, look at me.
Oh, look at you. All right, now see if you can get one in the bottom.
Perfecto.
Perfecto.
Mírame, gente.
I have no idea what you're saying.
I said, look at me, people. Got it?
So make sure the holes line up.
Yes, it's aligning correctly.
Nice. Get them all started by hand first, because we had to use a grounding plate, which goes in there. So far, so good, May. What spec are you talking that to? Waifu spec? Waifu talk spec? I might go around it and just check it later.
It's pretty good.
It's good, yeah, but I never want that to come loose on me, so I'll just double check. We're up to installing the wheel now. Already got the horn mounted in there, which was awesome. We didn't have to use this plate with the horn this time, as the NRG comes with like an insert to hold the horn inside the quick release, which was nice. Make sure you line that up. Good job, start it by hand first. Are we lined up with that too? Yes, we are. So the wheel's in the right position. It is a bit tricky, isn't it, May? Like holding the wheel and lining those bolts up.
Well, you can use your knees like this.
Yeah, that's right. And when you have really long legs, you can drive with your knees.
Yes.
You see me do that, right?
Yeah, you do that.
I mean, don't do that. That's bad. How many torque pounds do you think that is? I love the sound effects.
Wait, did I do this one?
Good job, May. Your first quick release is installed. All right, so quick release the wheel. So you got to push that top button down first, remember? And then hold it and clicks off. Awesome. Now, put the wheel on like that and then just lightly spin it. It didn't click. It didn't make a ding.
It didn't click.
It didn't.
But it did in my head. But that's okay.
All right, we got to try it. Got to try again. Sometimes it's a bit hard because you got to do it like lightly without putting pressure on it. So let it go for a second.
Let it go.
Yeah, and then just lightly. It's not doing it. Oh no. See if we can get this for TikTok. All right, you're not getting a ding. I'm sorry. Normally it's the cheap rubbish ones that do the ding anyways. Although my chaser one does the ding, and that's a really good NRG one. So maybe it's only like a specific kind of NRG ones that do it.
Maybe.
I don't know.
Might be out of stock, probably.
Out of stock. They've all been bought. It's like an actual thing now that people literally ask is, does this make the ding when you spin it? I've seen it on TikTok. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe it needs a good hub too to make the noise. I'm kind of a little disappointed. I wanted the ding.
It's okay.
Yeah. Anyways, May's got to do some work. I'm going to go to Daikoku and check out the meet today because it's Sunday, normally Supercar Sunday. But I'm glad I have a quick release now because I can actually drive this and my knees won't be hitting the wheel, which is going to be nice.
Yay!
First quick release install, how was it?
It was good. It was pretty nice. It wasn't too hard.
Yeah.
Things didn't go missing.
That's true, the first time they did. Just pulling into Daikoku PA now, and even though it just kind of started to shower a little bit, looks like an epic turnout. Bunch of really cool cars. Yo, is that an Ichigo Zoku car? Get out of here. Just threw the Z in the side car park, and then this Ferrari rolled in and a Porsche either side of it. Kind of feels a little out of place, or I don't know. I like to think the 350Z's on the same level. Anyways, looks like there's a pretty epic turnout today despite the weather being a bit cloudy and kind of showery. The rain stopped now since we rolled in, but check out this sick line of S13s. Three two-tones, all bricks, and then this red one with triple projector headlights. So good. I love the triple projector headlight look. Actually, I almost like it more than the brick look. Like the brick look is definitely epic and cool, and if I had an S13, I'd definitely love some bricks. But sometimes you just need that triple projector look because it just looks awesome. And moving along here, got a sick green Mark II. I've seen this guy drifting at Nikko before. Same with this light blue one here. The Chaser there, the dark blue one, Laurel. So many sick cars here today, actually. This thing's interesting, the new Lexus drift car, it's auto. Huh. That's Jeff's S15, so Jeff's around here somewhere. Looks like he's over there talking to someone. We've got a nice 32, AP racing brakes, TEs. The bronze TEs always look good on a 32. We got this 34, mixed match body parts, still looks pretty cool. I'm pretty sure I know this guy. There's a nice Subaru there. Dude, that Mazda actually looks kind of cool. Workmeisters, of course, the wheel of choice here in Japan. So these 34s are pretty cool. We got a GT one here that's made to look like a GTR. He does have an RB26. Bunch of cool parts like R35 seats and stuff in there. Active red, 34 GTT. This thing looks beautiful. This red always looks good on a 34, especially with nice clean headlights like that too. And this 34 is kind of special. Definitely looks like something you'd see in Need for Speed Underground. Very cool. Actually, I'm pretty sure that's why it looks like that. The guy probably loved Need for Speed. Very cool car. We got a new BMW here. Porsche with some rubber duckies on the hood. Huh. That's new. Oh, they're on all of these. Interesting. Maybe that's like a club thing. Oh, there's one on this one too. I don't understand. Why are there little rubber duckies on everything? Huh. This one as well, look. What is that for? I don't even know, man. We got a 240Z, Fairlady Z. This thing looks nice. Got an FD with my favorite headlights on them. I love pop-ups, don't get me wrong, I'll say this every time just to clarify. I love pop-ups, but something about these headlights always looks good on an FD. Couple 8.6s, clean S15, SDI, blob eye. Hawkeye next to it as well in a 32. Let's have a look in this row. Ooh, looks like we got a bit of a Tusher. Dude, that 8.6 in that Yellow looks really nice, actually. That color yellow's been growing on me a lot. This looks good. So simple. Yo, JZX 110, that thing is clean. Barossa. A lot of people don't know that the 110 is literally that is the chassis for that thing. Yeah, this 8.6 looks cool. Slam definitely has to be on bags. There's no way you could run that static. Yeah, he's like on the ground in the back. That's very cool with Tusher out with that color yellow. I dig that. And then this guy too, Workmeisters. Very nice. The 35 GTR, RX-8, S2000. Such a good turnout for today. This crown is on the ground. And then we got a 350Z here with the Fast and Furious livery and body kit, the Velside kit. It's cool. I love how much everyone in Japan loves the movies here. So they're not called Fast and Furious if you don't know in Japan. It's called Wild Speed. This one's got an auto Z though. It's kind of ironic. Still very cool. Nice clean wheels too. But yeah, they called the movie series over here Wild Speed. So the latest movie is like Wild Speed 9 or something. It's pretty funny. Is that like a military helicopter? Huh. Nice clean 4-door 34. 370Z down here. Moving on to an S2000. Is this a J's kit? Damn, that's actually really wide. Wow, that makes it super wide. That's super cool. But is it super cool? That was cringe. That's actually really nice. I like that. Nice lineup of some 8.6s here. Not too bad. Loving those Advent GTs on this one at the end with the big, what brake kit is that? I don't know. Looks nice though. Couple of GR BMWs side by side here. They look nice in the white. The red eccentrics. Yo, RX-8, but I'm more interested in the Z32 that just rolled in. That looks clean. Nice Porsche and Ferrari behind it too. That looks like an R's edition WRX with that hood scoop on, well, it's a roof scoop. Nice JZX 100 rolling in too. Damn, there's so many cool cars here today. What a great turnout. Unfortunately, the weather has started getting a little bit worse. It's starting to rain a bit. Got some really nice A70s here. Loving the Advent Onis on this one. In Australia, there was a particular model of these that were released called the Celica Supra, which was like this weird kind of blend between like the A70 and I think like the old 60 model. I can't remember, but it's cool to see these here. But I think you guys are going to be more interested in what just rolled in up here. Some of the coolest Kaido Racers I've ever seen. So like Bosozoku Kaido Racer style. This thing is awesome. Literally epic. This is probably my favorite. The loose in the middle here is amazing. We got to look at the rear in a bit, but you got to watch your shins on the front of these. Like as they cruise in, they're all static. They don't have bags on these things. So these are the real, like, I guess, the real static guys in Japan, because they have massive spoilers on the front like this, if that's even the correct name for them, and they're static the whole way through. So if they like hit a speed bump, it's gone. Very cool cars. I love just like, look how much wider they brought this out there, match the door and stuff. Super cool. The whole wave wing style, it's like a wave. So epic. Love this old style. This is insane. Like if this guy was doing some serious speed down the highway, I'd expect this car to have insane downforce and probably break off or something. Like this is insane. Like does the trunk even lift up still? I guess it does. It looks like it's two-piece. The hybrid badge from the Prius there is cracking me up. Look at this thing. That is wild. Tiniest little wheel too. Very nice. And then there's something else, another one up the front here. The red looks good on these things too. Really nice. It's Ken Mary, I believe. That's clean. And this thing, of course. Someone should park it next to there and we'll plug the quick charger port into it just for lols and take a photo. Man, that's so cool. Crowns look sick. This almost looks like a transformer face on it. Just for all the different vents and stuff on the hood. So epic. Gotta love this culture in Japan. Just spotted these two here that we missed when I was walking around. These ones not as crazy obviously, but still the kind of like Kaido Racer style. My favorite thing is the external oil cooler look. The single tinted yellow light as well. Just looks so epic. Big fan. Most of the time the oil coolers aren't even hooked up for obvious reasons. It's more of a look and a style from like back in the old days. It's just super cool. Clean, but epic. This NA Roadster just rolled up and I love it because it's set up for grip and it just looks super sick with the black TEs. The tire paint is a really nice thing and it's red. Black hardtop. I dig this a lot. This is everything I would have wanted the giveaway Miata that we gave away in the States to look like. Oh dude, the side diffusers look so epic. Man, if I ever get another NA Miata, this is what I'll make it look like. Looks so freaking like, what's the word? Like it just looks aggressive. Like a grip monster. Obviously, there's a lot of really cool cars here today and I could just walk around and look at them forever because they're just gonna keep coming in throughout the rest of today. You can probably hear some audio coming through the speaker here. I am doing a Twitch IRL right now and that's chat saying hello to all of y'all. If you guys have Twitch and you're not following me, you are sleeping because if you wanna see this regularly every week, I'm always doing IRLs here at Daikoku so you guys get to experience Japanese culture. So, link down in the description. Time to jump back in the Z and we're gonna go hang out with May. We're actually gonna go do some nice Brazilian barbecue tonight. It's our wedding anniversary, so we're gonna go hang out and have a good time. But I just wanted to quickly remind you guys, we do still have some sizing of the new merch in shirts and stuff left over. All the hoodies pretty much sold out. Go ahead to SAMMIT.net and jump on that while you still can before it is all gone. Time warping ahead and we are at, what is this, a Brazilian churrasco place? Is that how you say it? Brazilian barbecue churrasco, I think is how you pronounce it. They bring you these big stick things of meat like that and they cut it off for you and it goes on your plate and then you got this at like a salad bar over there. Pretty cool. Anyways, we're gonna enjoy and we'll pick up and close out the vlog once we get home. We just finished at our restaurant and it cracks me up because no matter where we go, May, we just can't seem to get away from Nissan, can we?
Yeah, it's the forever curse.
The forever curse? Does look like they have some pretty cool cars on display there though, over the ocean. See some gold, some red. It's kind of nice. Anyways guys, I'm gonna wrap things up here. I hope you had an incredible day and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Smash that like button, write us a comment and subscribe. We're gonna do wedding anniversary thing, 5 years going strong. I hope you guys all get to experience the same thing that we are.
Erase me off camera.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to cover you up, but you know, height difference problems. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Peace. Jamata.